Hello everyone. Today, I will introduce you to a platform that specializes in video creation, but in a slightly different way. What do I mean by that? If you have a video from YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, you can take its link and provide it to this platform. The platform processes the link and creates a new video while making modifications to ensure that the videos are not identical. The first step we need to take is to open our browser. Then, in the search bar, simply type similar video and press enter on your keyboard. Click on the first link that appears. Similar Video AI is a simple tool that lets you create videos easy and fast, no recording or editing needed. It can recreate popular videos, offer a wide selection of celebrity voices and fun stickers, and even let you customize AI-powered talking avatars with ease. Whether you are making promotional videos or social media content, this tool is perfect for content creators looking to produce engaging videos with minimal effort. So let's get started and dive into the details of this amazing platform. Click Start for free on the top right corner and then log in. You will see the home page. This homepage provides two methods to create videos. The first one is using a link. You provide a link to a YouTube or TikTok video and the platform generates a similar video. And the second method is using a text. You write a script and the platform converts it into a video. Let's go with the first method first, which is create similar video. Click on Create New. In this page, it will ask you to paste a YouTube or TikTok video link. Now I'll open YouTube and search for success videos. Of course, this is just an example. You can choose any topic that you would like to talk about. I'll choose this video here. Click Share and copy the link. Return to the platform and paste it into the provided field. Here, you can enter the product or the brand name you want to highlight in the new video. I'll enter WealthTech Hub as an example. You can enter any name or even leave it blank if you want. It's optional. You can also add description if you want or skip it as well. If you want to add images from your computer or cloud storage, you can upload them here. Now, click Similar Script Rewrite. The platform will create a new video by changing the words of the original while keeping the main idea the same. Let's wait and see the results. Now on this page, you can view the original script from the YouTube video you selected. Next to it, you will find the newly edited version. The platform even creates multiple scripts options, so you can browse through them and pick the one that fits the best. Now, you can select a celebrity or avatar to introduce your video. Choose one. I will click on this one for example, then click Generate. The AI is now bringing your video to life. It's using your new script and the character you chose to make your video stand out right from the start. If you ever wanted to create viral content on YouTube or any other platforms, this is your chance. I absolutely love this tool and use it all the time for my projects. It's super easy, completely free, and incredibly powerful. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my future tips. Look at this amazing creation. Let's check the video.
It's a lot of money, yeah.
Yeah, it is, yeah. Congratulations.
WealthTech Hub is a transformative platform designed to help you achieve your financial aspirations. Utilizing WealthTech Hub can significantly enhance your understanding of investments and savings. WealthTech Hub boosts your financial literacy with risk-free tools and tutorials to grow your investment portfolio. We often emphasize that our mindset shapes our financial well-being. Equally important are the financial strategies we adopt. For instance, setting a clear financial affirmation like, I am dedicated to building a stable financial future, can have a profound impact on how you manage and grow your wealth. Embrace WealthTech Hub's resources each day to stay committed to your financial goals and see the difference in your economic prosperity.
This is incredibly amazing. Here is the exciting part. You have total freedom to customize your video scenes. In this example, the AI generated 6 scenes, but if one doesn't match your vision, don't worry. You can replace it, auto-generate it, or create a new one, or even add extra scenes to enhance your videos. You can add a blank scene. You can also adjust the screen fit, effects, or transitions. Just imagine the possibilities. Creating multiple videos in seconds with zero effort, it's absolutely mind-blowing. Once the video is fully generated, you can preview it. If you are satisfied, click Export, choose the resolution, and download it. Let's go back to the home page and try the second option. Click Generate with one click. Now, you need to enter a story or script. You can either write one yourself or use ChatGPT to generate one for you. For example, I will ask ChatGPT for a story about a girl that loves travel. Once I get the story, I'll copy and paste it into the platform. Next, you can upload your own images or let the AI choose visuals automatically. Click Next. Once again, choose a celebrity or avatar to introduce your video. Click Generate. The AI will now create a full animated video based on the story. Let's check this out.
Oh, and like,
Yeah.
people do get mad when you walk slowly on the sidewalk. Like, everything was so exciting. Lena had always been fascinated by maps. As a child, she would trace her fingers over the winding roads and vast oceans on her globe.
Do you see the amazing creation? Okay, now once the video is ready, you can preview it to see the scenes, text, and visuals. Click Export, choose the resolution, and download the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy creating!